Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I had a brand new DeWalt battery that showed no charge on it. You can hear I'm clicking the button and nothing's there. And I put it in the charger. The charger will show red when it is charging, so here was a good battery. I tried switching it out and putting the dead battery in here, and it would not come on at all. As you can see, nothing on the fuel gauge. And then when you put it into place, it would not come on charging at all. I left it that way for a minute too. Now you may have seen a trick where you can take the positive and negative side of a good battery and jump start this one. And so that's similar to how you would do it on a car. That's something I had seen online before and I was going to try it. And so you probably saw a little zap there. It still wouldn't show on the fuel gauge, but it would now charge. So that's kind of the trick, but very caution to this. It did allow the battery to work, but that battery began to overheat. And if you look in the charger, it had the orange over here showing that it was getting too hot, and it was really hot to the touch. And so if your battery is in that state where it's not working, don't mess with it. Get rid of it. You have to dispose of it properly because it's lithium ion. You can't just throw it in the garbage. So take it to where they will accept it and get a new battery. This battery is still hot, and it's been 10 minutes. And so now you do have to keep an eye on it so that it doesn't combust. I even put it back in the drill, ran it all the way till it was dead, and from there it's time to dispose of this battery properly. So anyway, thanks for watching. Check the video description for more videos like this, and if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.